Have you seen this? GameStop. GameStop is a traditional retailer where they sell video games and electronics, and essentially it's a business that was probably not going to do well in this entire digital era. And so many investors and hedge fund managers were shorting this stock. In the internet universe, there's a subreddit called Wall Street Bets, and they kind of look at which stocks are being shorted. They had this notion of let's drive up the stock for GameStop. In fact, I like this tweet from Barstool who just explained.
Boom, click and go back this way. Boom, here, click and go that way. Boom, that way. Click here and go back this way.
It's a meme stock. And it seems like it's a joke, right? I love memes too. Like I love the Bernie meme. But the reality is that internet memes can actually crown organizations, they can crown markets, they can crown winners in industries. I mean, if you looked at a number of years ago in 2019, there was a guy named Lil Nas X. He had the longest running Billboard hit ever, and it started as a meme. He created the song, he created a meme on TikTok, and then it sort of went viral, and then he was able to stay on the Billboard charts for the longest period ever, and it was a meme. I would argue that Trump was a meme president. So the reality is that these internet communities are actually shaping not only politics and culture, but they're also changing our behaviors as well. The reason why I'm mentioning this to you is because if we are not aware of what's happening in internet culture and we're not familiar with the tools and technologies that they are using as well, then we will also become irrelevant. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I bet the next video is going to be even better. So hit subscribe and we'll chat in the comments.